So hi guys, welcome back to Traveler Edge YouTube channel. So today we are going to change the bulb of Jupiter scooty. This is the stock bulb performance. Now we have the LED bulb which we going to install in this bike. So let's get start the process of installing new bulb. For LED bulb we need to modify some wiring. In this video I will show how to change the wiring connections to install this bulb into your bike. So let's get start the process. Start the process with removing mirrors. Remove these nut bolts with the screwdriver as shown in video. After removing the nuts, remove this part as shown in video. Take out this rubber. Unplug the bulb. This is the stock bulb of Jupiter. If your stock bulb is not working and you don't want to upgrade it to LED, you also can change a stock bulb with a new halogen bulb in this way. You need to modify your wiring as shown in video.